Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Today, I'm going to give my review about Regrowz. This 3-month-long program was given to me a few months ago and I was really fortunate to receive this package from UK. So this actually comes along with the women and men variant. If you saw my previous vlog, I opened the men's variant. I actually used it first before I had this one. The only difference is inside this package, it has a comb. The other one for men doesn't, right? So that's the only difference. So my review. Honestly, I found it tough to maintain placing the cream. So inside this box is the scalp stimulant. It comes in a liquid form. It's like water. And the restoration serum. The restoration serum is actually greenish and you can smell that it's herbally. But my review about its efficacy is that it really thickened my hair, especially these areas here. Right? So if you can see, there's a lot of hair growing here already. Here in this areas here. So this is the focus. This is where I placed the serum just to make sure that I can test its effectiveness, right? So if you can see, I have a lot of baby hair here. Even though I dyed my hair with very light color, you can still see that there's a lot of new hair growing here. And I really used the products. I maintained it daily. I'm gonna open this up so that I can show you what's inside. But I already used up the Regrowth Men formula. This is the scalp stimulant. Okay, it actually looks different for the girls. So I'm pulling up everything here. So for the women, this is the scalp stimulant. So you just need to take a few. Okay, you can already put that there and then put it on your hair. So I suggest you use this at night because you need to keep it around 60 minutes on your hair so that after 60 minutes of putting the scalp stimulant, you can then place the restoration serum. What's recommended in this package is that you put the scalp stimulant for at least 30 minutes. What I do is I place it in for an hour. And after that, I also place this for an hour or sometimes even overnight, right? So that it can really be absorbed by the scalp. And if you can see, I already have a lot of new hair here. I had a lot of hair fall, especially in this area here. But after using this product, I had a lot of hair regrowth. And I really love the product. And thank you so much, Regrowz, for choosing me to vlog about this and for choosing a Filipina and a Cebuana to vlog about your product. Thank you so much for your generosity. Merry Christmas to you guys. If you wish to use Regrowz and try them out for 3 months, you can actually check out the description box. I have a 10% discount code there so that you can get a discounted rate every time you purchase Regrowz using my code. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Don't worry if you're losing hair. Regrowz is here and it can be trusted because I really tried its effectiveness and it does work. Thank you so much, Regrowz, once again. I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Don't forget to subscribe to show your support. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!
1, 2, 3.
Funky. My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you.